Dear Cheri, do I need to make an infusion like marijuana, butter, or oil, or can I just cook with ground buds? Good question. Yes, you can cook with ground buds. In many cases, you're not going to want to because there are better methods from a textural and a flavor perspective. But there are many recipes where that is an easy way to add cannabis to your recipe and you don't have to make the infusion. All you need to do is decarboxylate your cannabis and crumble it up and add it. So what kind of recipes might this work for? I really like it in any kind of ground meat recipes like meatballs, filling for pot stickers, things like that. I find that you can just mix it in like any other herb or spice into the ground meat mixture, so that works well. Long cooking sauces like Italian meat sauce or long cooking marinara sauce. Again, any kind of recipe that uses a lot of herbs and spices where you can just add the ground up buds as one more herb or spice, that's when cooking with buds directly works well. In other cases, like making chocolates or baked goods or things, you're going to want to make a butter or an oil first. Eat your weed.